Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix the yellow screen in Xiaomi 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on display and brightness and then scroll down and here you can see the option reading mode. Now click on reading mode and if you turn this button on, reading mode button on, your screen will be yellow. And if you want to fix your yellow screen, then simply turn this button off. After turning this button off, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.